Hi, Jax.
Hi.
How old are you?
2.
How old are you going to be tomorrow? Good job. What's your favorite color?
Green.
What's your favorite animal?
A horsey.
You like a horsey?
Yeah.
That's so nice, Jax. What's your favorite show to watch?
Gumball. No, it's Yo Gabba Gabba. Is it Yo Gabba Gabba and Gumball?
What's your favorite Yo Gabba Gabba show?
My favorite one is the one that don't have gooey things on it.
Oh, what's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Yo Gabba Gabba.
What's your favorite thing to eat?
Take it in the bowl.
Look at Mommy, I can't see you. And what's your favorite dessert?
Grape.
And are you excited about starting preschool?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
Favorite ice cream. And what's your favorite ice cream?
Chocolate banana.
And
That's called a sundae.
do you have a favorite book you like to read?
Elmo.
Elmo. And what do you like to do outside?
Play.
What's your favorite game to play?
Tennis.
And what's your favorite number?
2.
And what do you want to be when you grow up? Have a seat, babe. No, don't get down. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Because I want to be
What do you want to be when you grow up?
grow up.
What do you want to be?
Something else.
Something else?
Yeah.
Like what? What's it called?
I don't know.
And what's your favorite cereal to eat?
Yeah. Regular cereal.
And what's your favorite dinner to eat? What do you like to eat for dinner?
Chicken in the bowl. That's not dinner.
And what's your favorite thing to drink?
Perrier.
You like Perrier? And what's something you want to tell Mommy that you enjoyed about being 2?
Dewey.
Yeah, what was your favorite part about being 2?
Dewey in 4.
Yeah, you get to turn 3 and 4.
And I turn big, then I will go down and eat my cake all up in my tummy.
And
And